Teachers, many of you have noticed that Movie Maker is no longer available on Windows 10. That is not a Katie issue, that's actually a Microsoft issue. Microsoft discontinued Movie Maker when they brought Windows 10 out. So another option you have is PhotoStory 3, and we have that in our Software Center. So if you come down to the bottom left, there's a little search button. Click on the search button and type Software Center. Open up the Software Center. From here, you can just type photo, and it should search for PhotoStory 3. And there it is. So go ahead and click on it, install it, and you're good to go. And that's how you find PhotoStory 3.